Hello, this is George Senda, the official, the real, the authentic, the original, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh. I got my UCSF, my chart results, and there was a picture of my kneecap and my leg, my right leg. Oddly, they didn't have a picture of my left leg. They x-rayed both of them. But I thought, excuse me, that I would post a picture of what my knee looks like. They said the cartilage under the kneecap is completely gone. So in another about 4 weeks, 5 weeks, I don't know, 20th of December, I get my knee surgery. And from everything I read online, I apparently be able to walk within a day or two. They want you to walk on it. So I may not need Patty's scooter, but I don't think it's going to be that easy for me considering the knee has been damaged for 17 years. Okay, not heard anything from the doctor's office about the allergy clinic. Although I did find a local place here that will see you, but I don't know if my medical insurance would fund it. There's an oral allergy thing you put under your tongue, and that acclimatizes you to the allergen, and eventually you're no longer allergic to grass, and you don't get the painful shots. So I'm going to try to figure out how to send that to them and say, can I go to an alternate source and have Medicare pay for it? I've been coughing all night. I apologize. All right, have a great day and stay warm and dry and safe. And I'm going to try to go back to sleep. It's 8:15 in the morning. And I will catch you next time. Bye-bye for now. See you later.